Hello guys, welcome to Media City Top 5 News Hours. A 20-year-old woman who was allegedly gang raped by 4 men in Hadras village, Uttar Pradesh on Tuesday morning died in Delhi. The woman had been struggling for life for 2 weeks with critical injuries, multiple fractures and her tongue cut off. The incident took place on September 14. Amid several speculation over former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut meet Maharashtra BJP leader Chandrakant Patil on Tuesday admitted that the talks between the two leaders were political. If top leaders of two different political parties meet, political discussion do take place. If they had a meeting for over 2 hours, it is obvious that they didn't discuss tea biscuits, Patil was quoted by ANI as saying. The Maharashtra BJP leader said that the outcome of the Fadnavis and Raut meeting was inconclusive. The meeting between Fadnavis and Raut in a hotel on September 26 prompted speculation in Maharashtra's political circles. Reacting to the talks between the two leaders, Maharashtra BJP chief spokesperson Keshav Ubadhyaya had said the meeting was not political in nature and Raut had met the former Maharashtra chief minister for an interview for Samana. In an important move, the Ministry of Home Affairs sanctioned 3 additional branches of the National Investigation Agency. The branches were sanctioned at Chennai, Imphal and Ranchi. The NIA has its branches also at Guwahati, Mumbai, Jammu, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Kochi, Lucknow, Raipur and Chandigarh. This decision of GO will help in ensuring quick response to any emergent situation in the concerned states by the premier anti-terror investigation agency of the country. It will strengthen NIA's capability in investigation of terrorism-related cases and other national security-related matters. It will also facilitate timely collection of crucial information and evidence related to such offences, the NIA said in a note. CLAT 2020 answer key. Attention students, the consortium of NLSU have released the CLAT 2020 answer key. Candidates who appeared for common law admission test CLAT 2020 are requested to visit the official website of the consortium of NLSU, that is consortiumofnlus.ac.in, for the process of checking the answer key. Shiromani Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Singh Badal on Monday took swipes at Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarendra Singh over the latest sit-in protest in solidarity with farmers agitating against the centre's recently introduced farm bills. Alleging that the Singhs claim that farmers' struggle in Punjab turning violent is a ploy to weaken the peaceful movement, Badal called the Chief Minister's protest a shameful political nautanki. Let's wind up for the day. Thank you and have a wonderful day.